The Playground is Like the Jungle by Shona Innes. The playground is a place where lots of people come together to play and laugh and chat and have a break. Playgrounds can be filled with people doing their favorite things with others or spending time by themselves. Playgrounds are a little bit like the jungle. Lots of creatures come together to live and play in the jungle. And when lots of creatures come together in one spot, things can get really wild and adventurous. Creatures have different ways to make themselves feel good. They have favorite things they like to do, favorite treasures they like to keep, and favorite creatures to spend time with. While creatures feel good, they are happy to share and laugh and play. And when things don't feel so good, all creatures have different ways to take care of themselves. They have some things they do to hide, some things they do to scare others away, and some things they do just because they can. People in a playground can be like creatures in a jungle. There might be some cheeky monkeys chasing and teasing each other for fun, or some big baboons banging their chests, wanting other people to look at them and tell them they're great. There might be some insects buzzing around, not realizing that they are being annoying, or tigers that can lash out when they get angry. There may be some slippery snakes who pretend to be a friend one moment, but then just wind away and leave their new friend all alone. Snakes can be quite good at pretending to be deaf and not noticing others. The playground can be fun, but sometimes we can feel very alone. No one likes to feel alone. Even though we might feel quite sad and alone sometimes, there are things we can do to feel happy and safe in the playground. Some people like to spend time making sure they are friendly with all sorts of different creatures. If one creature is giving them a hard time, they have plenty of other friends they can hang out with. Some people like to find things to do in the quiet part of the jungle. From here, they can relax and spend quiet time alone. Or they can sit back and have a good look around at what all the other creatures in the jungle are up to, and which ones look like they are safe and happy. Some people find that even if they are feeling sad and alone, it helps to put on a happy face. Most other creatures don't want to hang around with creatures that look miserable. Some people like to ask help from the bigger creatures in the jungle. Asking an adult for help or playing near adults can be useful. Sometimes, if another creature really hurts you, you need to make a big noise. This lets all the other creatures know what has happened, so they can come and give you some help, and so they all know to stay away from creatures that hurt. Or, if someone is really annoying you, you can politely explain how you feel and suggest something else they can do that might make them happy creatures. Every creature in the jungle is important to how the jungle works and feels. The playground can be a bit like a jungle. It can feel exciting and wonderful. The playground gives us lots of practice for getting along with others and learning how to be ourselves. The playground can be filled with wonderful adventures. The end.